Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss about another storing option, which is EFS, Elastic File System. EFS is fully managed file storage service for EC2 instance. It means when I'm saying it is fully managed, it means AWS will do all these things. It will eliminate the need to manage your file server or storage infrastructure. Everything will be done: patching, scaling, backup, etc. It offers scalable and high performance file storage, and like I said, it automatically scales your storage up and down that capacity, right? So no need to provision storage in advance because AWS will take care of it. It will provide low latency file operation, and data is automatically replicated across multiple AZs within AWS region, and it supports these protocols: NFS v4, NFS v4.1. These protocols are supported. Data is encrypted at rest as well as in transit. At rest it will be done through KMS, and in transit it will be done through transport layer security. It supports file system that can grow up to petabytes in size. So it's a good solution for big huge data. It is good option for that. And it can handle billions of files and directories. EFS offers high availability by replicating data across multiple availability zones. So it is a good option for any disaster situation. If data failure is happening within one AZ, so that way also it's a good option. And it integrates with IAM, VPC, etc. for network security. They will discuss about it, and I am going to show demo also for that. Then access to EFS file system can be controlled using security groups. I will create another video for it. What is security group? IAM roles and networking file system. Integration with other AWS services like CloudFormation, Data Sync, Backup. Just for the sake of this video, but I am going to describe what does that mean: CloudFormation, Data Sync, and AWS Backup. I will create another video for it. And we have these performance modes available. One is the general purpose, the GP mode, and the second one is max IO mode. The general purpose mode, that is ideal for most applications, including your web servers, development environment, etc. And it provides a balance of throughput as well as the IOPS, suitable for a wide range of workloads. EFS automatically scales performance as the file system grows. That is why it's a fully managed service, and scales with the amount of data stored. So for instance, EFS provides a baseline throughput and IOPS rate, and scales with the amount of data you store. So I mean, less headache on you. The max IO mode, it is designed for application requiring very high throughput and IOPS. Of course, it is like +1 features available here, such as large scale data processing or analytics application. It depends. So for example, you have application which requires more IO, then you can select this one. It is optimized for higher aggregate throughput and IOPS, but may introduce slightly higher latencies compared to GP mode. Okay. EFS allows you to scale out to a larger number of EC2 instances with higher aggregate performance. And it provides higher performance and scales with the amount of data stored, but with a trade-off in latency, like I said. So we need to decide which one is better for us based on our requirement. And let's see the use cases. So shared file storage is one use case, and ideal for application requiring shared access to a common file system such as web server, CMS. So if we have that type of storage requirement, where maybe the web servers are looking for some data or CMS, then we should go for it. Big data and analytics is another use case. Backup and restore is also a use case. We have already seen that the size wise we can store petabytes of information, so can be used to maintain backups and restore data from different sources. So those integrations are available. Development and testing. Developers and testers can use EFS for environments where shared file access is necessary, such as integration testing or development workloads. And it is suitable for data intensive applications. Now pricing wise, storage cost, Amazon EFS pricing is based on the amount of data stored in the file system. So you pay for the storage what you use, and there are no upfront cost for long-term contracts. Pricing is typically calculated per gigabyte per month. I don't think it should be GB byte now. I mean, now GIB. Okay, throughput cost. In addition to storage, there may be cost associated with the throughput you provision. EFS offers two performance modes that we have already discussed, the GP and IO1, which impact pricing based on your chosen performance. Of course, I mean, those two different options would have different costs associated. And data transfer. Data transfers into and out of EFS within the same AWS region is generally free, but the data transferred across regions or to the internet might incur additional charges. So that's it in this video. This was bit theory, and we'll jump when we will do the demo hands-on exercise. Maybe then it will make more sense. Thank you so much for watching.